How to WeChat backup in 2026? So do this now or lose years of chat history instantly. So if you have years of WeChat conversation, don't wait until you what do you call this? Don't wait until you change phone or accidentally lose your data. So open your WeChat right here. Once you open up your WeChat right here, next thing we need to use is go to me. Then after going to me, click on settings. Then click on chats. After pressing on chats right there, look for chat history or migration. Click on manage chat history. And then there you go. You can import and export right there. Once you've done that, like select the chats you want to keep. You click on backup restore right there. There you go. Backup to your computer, backup to your storage. Encrypt chat history, backup content, backup can only be accessed by this account. Auto backups is supported as well. But yeah, there you go, guys. As you can see, there you go. You can do that. So, um, the safest approach, guys, is migrate important chats to the new phone, and when possible, keep a separate computer backup that gives you additional recovery options instead of relying on on the old phone, guys. But yeah, anyways, guys, there you go. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type it out question below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and there you guys. Thank you, guys.